Tell him bite it.
Bite. Bite it.
Tell him to come here now.
Come here now.
Tell him to drop it.
Drop it.
Drop it. Now tell him to drop it.
Drop it.
He dropped it. Take it from him. Take it from him.
Gross.
Yeah. Like, how about this, Marina?
طب انت ليه
Tell him to... Okay.
Speak now.
No, tell him to speak. Show him the ball.
Speak now.
No, just speak. Tell him speak.
Speak.
Oh! He took the ball. Did he scratch you?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
No.
He scratched you? Okay, tell him to
Stay. Oh, you stay already?
Yeah, he's staying. So now tell him to speak.
Why you have a big gut crowd?
No, don't worry. Okay, tell him to speak. Okay, just tell him. No, tell him stay.
Stay.
Okay, now tell him to speak.
Good job, Ace.
Tell him again.
Good job.
No, tell him. You gotta show the ball.
Speak.
Stay, tell him to stay now.
Stay.
Okay, now say speak.
Speak. Okay, speak.
Yeah. Now tell him to lay down.
Lay down. Lay down.
Oh
Now tell
my
him to stay.
God. Oh my God. Good.
Okay, now
Good
throw the
boy.
ball, show him the ball, throw it gently and say bite. No, tell him to stay. Bite. Say bite.
Bite. Go bite it. It's gonna go away from you.
Now tell him break, come back.
Break. Come out. Come. He's gonna come.
Yeah, he's coming. Now tell him to stay and sit down.
Stay and sit down.
No, tell him stay.
Stay.
Tell him,
Stay.
sit down, tell him to
Sit
sit.
down. Sit down.
No, tell him come here. You have to yell at him.
Oh.
He didn't hear you.
It's okay.
Marina, he didn't hear you. Tell him come here and sit.
Come here and sit. Come here and sit. Come here and sit.
Tell him come here. Sit.
Sit. Sit.
Good. Now tell him to drop. No. Sit.
Drop.
Yeah, he dropped it. Now take the ball. Now tell him to stay. Okay. Now, you want to learn a new trick? Let's do, tell him to stay just so he's looking at another person. Tell him to stay.
Stay.
Okay. Now do this. Throw it up and say jump. No, you gotta throw it up first. No, wait, I'll show you. Yes.
Oh, I
So he doesn't scratch you. Like he scratches me a lot. Okay?
Me too.
Yeah, he scratched me. You wanna see what he did? Look, he did this.
Oh.
Yeah.
He did nothing too.
Yeah. No, yeah, you're fine.
Yeah.
But he doesn't mean to. He scratches because he wants to play.
Oh.
Trust me.
Scratch is not playing.
Yeah, no, Scratch is playing. Biting.
Hi,
If he
Ace.
bites, Marina,
Hi,
if
my
he bites,
friend.
you can bleed. But he never bites.
Kiss.
Yeah, he that's him kissing.
Oh.
But trust me,
No, I kiss because I just got hurt.
yeah, and if he's gonna bite, he's gonna go like that.
Why you stop? Yeah,
Can
white
you see it?
thing. This white thing, I see it.
Oh, but that's not his bite.
Well,
This white is your skin.
Oh, my
Okay.
skin.
Marina, hold the ball and tell him up.
Up.
No, you have to yell at him because right now he's in playing time. You have to yell at him.
Yo.
No.
Say up, Ace.
Up, Ace. Up, Ace.
No, go to him.
Up, Ace.
Up. Ace, up.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Okay, Ace, up. Hey, up.
I'm kind of scared.
Yeah. Tell him, touch you like that. You see? Okay. Tell him here. He's gonna come beside you.
Here.
Hey, don't give him the ball. Here, I'll hold the ball. Now yell at him. Say,
Here.
yeah, he's gonna come.
Oh.
No, that was the wrong command. Tell him no.
No.
Ace, come here.
Ace, come here.
Okay, Okay, let's see. Let's go a little farther. Now, come here.
Come here. Ace, come here.
Ace,
Ace, come here.
come here.
Come here.
Good. Now tell him to heel.
Here.
Heel.
Here.
Look, it's okay. He's gonna turn around. He's gonna turn from behind you. See? He's gonna sit beside me. Like, look. Ace, come here. Heel. Middle.
Beside him.
Middle.
I cannot sit
Middle.
You know why I cannot sit beside me? Beside him? Because they get dirty. How does it sit here?
Yeah. Okay. You wanna try it again? Good boy.
I want to throw it.
You wanna throw it?
Yeah, because
Okay.
he's got bite me.
Okay.
I don't want to give it to him.
No, he's not gonna bite you. Now,
No,
say
I
heel.
just want to throw it.
Say heel. Heel.
Heel.
Come.
But not
Hey,
this
heel.
ball. Not the ball.
Okay, tell him now. Heel. Heel. And tell him heel. Heel. Good. See?
He want to come here.
Yeah.
What is that?
That is paper.
Oh.
Okay, here. Now we can tell him. Tell him. Show him the ball.
Okay.
Okay. Tell him. Show him the ball.
Hold the nut
Okay.
and then drop it.
Yeah. Okay. Just wait, cause there's bikers. Tell him to stay. Yeah. Tell him to stay.
I can do it too.
Good job, Ace. Good job. You are a good boy. You are listening.
Now to drop it. Can I drop it now?
Yeah. How about this way, so he doesn't come near any people? Okay.
Here.
Okay.
Now he's got bite. Oh,
Yeah.
it
You
got-
gotta tell him to bite. Okay, so tell him to stay. Tell him to stay.
Stay! Stay!
See, stay. As soon as you tell him to stay, he's gonna stay. Tell him, come here.
I think you wanna just wanna play.
Yeah, I think he just wants to play with the ball. Okay, tell him to come here.
I think that's good. And
Isaac, if you can hear him.
like my dog, don't forget like and subscribe. See my video.